you do this again?
What do you mean, how? We've been learning about this for the past week.
Just tell me out like you always do.
Sorry, Jaden. Not in the mood to help at the moment.
What? You always help me. Why are you suddenly doing this?
Are you serious? You ask me for help and get upset when I say no? Don't act like that, Jaden. It's not very nice.
I'm not acting like that. I'm not even upset. I was asking nicely. Just please, help me.
Fine. I'll help you. But you have to promise me one thing.
Yeah, no problem. What is it?
You have to say for real next time and not just copy off of me. Okay?
No problem.
Okay.